Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 3 minus 9 is equal to minus 6. Then again 3 minus 9 is equal to minus 6. Okay, now minus 6 multiply minus 6 is equal to 36. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, P means parenthesis, A means exponents, M means multiplication, and D means division. M means addition and S means subtraction. First priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question, first priority is parenthesis. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. So 3 minus 9. Now solve this parenthesis. 3 minus 9 is equal to minus 6. Okay, is equal to, now here is multiplication and here is subtraction. So first priority is multiplication. Then we have to solve this subtraction. Okay. So 3. Now multiply minus 9 multiply minus 6. So minus 9 multiply minus 6 is equal to plus 36. Sorry, plus 54. Okay. Now 3 plus 54 is equal to 57. Therefore, the correct answer is 57. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.